A century ago, a marvel of the modern age touched down on the ancient soil of Kano. It was more than a mission, it was a promise of connection, of a world suddenly made smaller. Today, that promise is celebrated where history was made, and the students of Government Girls College Dala are here to witness it. In 1925, the British Royal Air Force Hinaydi flight was completed, the first official airmail route from Cairo to Kano. This landing marked Nigeria's entry into the age of aviation, transforming a major trading hub into a gateway to the skies.
When I read about it, I imagined the dust, the noise, the people seeing a flying machine for the first time. We were known for our dye pits and walls, but this means that Kano was always ready for a future. It makes me proud that our city was a pioneer.
Today, the legacy is celebrated not just with speeches, but with color, rhythm, and the curious eyes of a new generation.
Look at this mix. The airplanes are sleek and global. But the dress, the music, it so deeply us. Yes, we embrace this new technology, but we brought our own flavor to it. The past and present were dancing together today.
From that single biplane, Kano's skies now host thousands of flights, connecting Nigeria to the world. But the true legacy lies in inspiring those who will chart the next century.
Seeing all this, it doesn't feel like old history. It feels like starting line. My parent talks about ground transport, but I'm looking at the cloud. The first pilot was probably a man. Why not me next? This event fuels my dreams.
It is about the engineering, the physics. That 1925 plan was simple. Now, think of the software.
The materials. I'm more interested in what builds the future. Can we design better drones for agriculture? That's the next landing I want to see. Ideas that solve our problems.
Beyond the history and the aspirations, the day leaves a personal imprint.
I keep thinking about connection. That flame connected letters and people across continents. Today, we are connected instantly by phones, but being here physically with my classmates, feeling this shared pride, it is a different connection. It's rooted us 100 years now. I hope students will remember us remembering this day.
100 years ago, a landing became a legacy. Today, in the eyes of students from GGC Dalan across Kano, that legacy is not relic. It is a living story, a story of courage, embrace, and boundless potential. The first century connected Kano to the world. The next will be shaped by those who dare to look up and imagine.